This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie.howlett. Enjoy this light and spacious first floor 2-bed 1-bath condo in highly sought after West Ghent. Hardwood floors and tall ceilings, this condo boasts a private balcony and laundry in the home. One assigned space in the parking lot behind the building and a new HVAC system recently installed. Close proximity to EVMS, Colley Avenue restaurants, Norfolk Naval Base, and the Midtown Tunnel. For more information, review the details below.